Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Yoyo Blues Comb. Now you need to know how to do a yo-yo already, you need to know how to do a blues comb already. If you've got those in your repertoire, you're going to be ready for one of these. If you haven't got them in your repertoire, links in the description below. So, looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard yo-yo. We go back across the chest. We twist the lady out. So standard yo-yo. Now at this point, guys, if you point your fingers into the lady's hand, palm up, you'll notice there is a loop. That's our loop to do a blues comb, because normally a comb would have come in from the other side. We're going to go outwards through the loop. It's going to go over the guy's head. We're going to slide down to the hand. So we get to right, and then all we do is finish the yo-yo off. So we need to do a prep, a turn, face, return, and back. Let's do that from the other side and think numbers. So we go back 1, across the chest, 2, twist the lady out, 3, there's our loop forming. We go comb, 4, sliding back out, 5, prep the lady, 6, turning 7, facing 8, returning 1, and back 2. So let's do it together. Here we go. It's a quickie this time. 5, 6, Yoyo Blues Comb. We go a back, in, twist, comb, catch, prep, turn, look, return, and back. And that's it. Hope you find that one nice and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. Subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that, and the notification bell just makes sure that you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.